Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're kicking off a series on the IBM Cloud Professional Architect V6 exam. Question 1. Which IBM Cloud service provides a common platform to meet the requirements of a modern hybrid cloud? A. Red Hat OpenShift. B. Cloud Functions. C. Code Engine. D. Virtual Server Instance. Correct answer. A. Red Hat OpenShift. Here's the explanation. Red Hat OpenShift on IBM Cloud provides a common platform to meet the requirements of a modern hybrid cloud. It is a Kubernetes-based container platform that enables developers to build, deploy, and manage applications across on-premises environments, IBM Cloud, and other public clouds. This flexibility is key for modern hybrid cloud environments where businesses seek consistency, scalability, and security across diverse infrastructure setups. Why Red Hat OpenShift? It offers a comprehensive solution for managing containers and microservices, automating CI/CD pipelines, and integrating with IBM Cloud Paks, thus facilitating a true hybrid cloud model. Benefits of OpenShift. Red Hat OpenShift ensures workload portability, consistency in development and operations, and provides enhanced security features, making it the preferred platform for enterprises embracing a hybrid cloud strategy. Comparison with other options. Cloud Functions B. Focused on serverless functions rather than providing a full hybrid cloud platform. Code Engine C. Focused on running containerized workloads without managing infrastructure, but not as comprehensive as OpenShift. Virtual Server Instance D. Provides virtual machines but lacks the comprehensive hybrid cloud management features. A data analyst working for a retail company uses IBM Cloud Watson Discovery Service to analyze client data. The company's customer support team has been experiencing an increase in customer complaints regarding delayed deliveries. The analyst has been asked to identify the root cause of this issue. Which feature of Watson Discovery would be most helpful in this situation? A. AI-powered search engine. B. Natural language processing. C. User behavior tracking. D. Pattern and trend analysis. Correct answer, D. Pattern and trend analysis. The feature of Watson Discovery most helpful in identifying the root cause of customer complaints regarding delayed deliveries is pattern and trend analysis. Pattern and trend analysis in Watson Discovery. This feature helps to identify recurring themes, trends, or patterns within large datasets. For a data analyst investigating customer complaints, pattern and trend analysis can help reveal common factors or trends contributing to the delays, such as issues with specific delivery locations, times, or processes. Use case for analyzing customer complaints. By analyzing patterns and trends in the text data from customer complaints, the analyst can pinpoint potential bottlenecks or root causes leading to delays in deliveries. Reference from IBM Cloud Professional Architect Materials. IBM's Watson Discovery documentation highlights its ability to perform pattern and trend analysis to extract meaningful insights from unstructured data. Other options are incorrect. A. AI-powered search engine is for retrieving relevant documents or information. B. Natural language processing processes text, but does not focus on identifying patterns or trends. C. User behavior tracking is not relevant in this context. Question 3. An IT manager is considering using IBM Key Protect for their organization's data encryption needs. What is the primary objective of IBM Key Protect? A. Key management system for data encryption. B. Hardware security module for cloud servers. C. Data analytics platform for IBM Cloud. D. Cloud-based data storage solution. Correct answer, A. Key management system for data encryption. Here's the explanation. IBM Key Protect is a cloud-based key management service that allows organizations to manage encryption keys used to protect their data across IBM Cloud services. The primary objective of IBM Key Protect is to securely generate, store, manage, and use cryptographic keys to protect sensitive data. Key Management System. IBM Key Protect provides lifecycle management for keys, including creating, rotating, importing, and deleting keys. This service integrates with various IBM cloud services to enable secure data encryption and protect data at rest and in transit. Use cases. It is designed for organizations that need to ensure compliance with data security regulations and protect their data using industry-standard encryption practices. It provides a centralized key management solution for cloud-native applications and workloads. Comparison with other options. Hardware Security Module B is a different type of secure key storage, which can be used alongside IBM Key Protect, but is not its primary function. Data Analytics Platform C and Cloud-Based Data Storage Solution D are unrelated to key management and encryption. Question 4. What describes a feature of IBM Cloud Transit Gateway when interconnecting multiple virtual private clouds, VPC? A. Client designates which traffic remains within the private IBM Cloud backbone. B. Provides private interconnectivity for on-premises workloads and the designated VPC. C. Provisions and defines connections between resources on the IBM Cloud network. D. Provides a decentralized hub for better regional connectivity and load balancing. Correct answer: C. Provisions and defines connections between resources on the IBM Cloud network. Here's the explanation. IBM Cloud Transit Gateway provides the ability to provision and define connections between resources on the IBM Cloud network. This service allows you to connect multiple virtual private clouds, VPCs, and on-premises networks to a central gateway. It simplifies network management by providing a single entry point for interconnecting multiple IBM Cloud resources. By creating connections through Transit Gateway, organizations can establish a scalable and flexible network architecture that integrates various cloud environments. Question 5. What describes an IBM Cloud Virtual Private Endpoint? A. A connection point from classic infrastructure to custom-built microservices. B. A connection point from a VPC to other IBM Cloud services. C. A connection point from a VPC to an on-premises network. D. A connection point from classic infrastructure to an on-premises network. Correct answer: B. A connection point from a VPC to other IBM Cloud services. Here's the explanation. An IBM Cloud Virtual Private Endpoint, VPE, provides a connection point from a virtual private cloud, VPC, to other IBM Cloud services. This allows secure private communication between resources within a VPC and IBM Cloud services without traversing the public internet, enhancing security and performance. What is a virtual private endpoint? VPE is a mechanism that enables private connections from a VPC to supported IBM Cloud services such as databases, object storage, and others. It eliminates the need for public IP addresses and reduces the exposure to potential attacks over the public internet. Why this option describes VPE? It clearly explains that VPE is for connecting VPC resources to other IBM Cloud services, fitting the purpose of secure internal cloud communication. Comparison with other options. A. Classic to microservices. C. VPC to on-premises. D. Classic to on-premises. None accurately describes the function of a virtual private endpoint in IBM Cloud. Question 6. The client requires 99.99% uptime. Why would a Citrix NetScaler help in this case? A. Predictability. B. Scalability. C. Reliability. D. Availability. Correct answer: D. Availability. Here's the explanation. A Citrix NetScaler, now known as Citrix ADC, is designed to improve the availability of applications by providing advanced load balancing, traffic management, and redundancy features. It ensures that applications remain accessible even in the event of server failures or high traffic volumes. Why Citrix NetScaler improves availability? It distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers to prevent overload on a single server, thus maintaining application uptime. It also provides failover capabilities, ensuring that if one server fails, traffic is rerouted to other healthy servers. Comparison with other options. A. Predictability. While Citrix NetScaler can improve predictability, its main function is related to availability. B. Scalability. Citrix NetScaler can aid in scalability, but this is not the primary benefit for achieving 99.99% uptime. C. Reliability. While reliability is an aspect, the key feature directly supporting 99.99% uptime is availability. Question 7. Which supported use cases for IBM Cloud for VMware Virtualized Data Center Extension? A. Manage security detection and response. B. Modernize security with open multi-cloud platform. C. Migration to the cloud. D. Accelerate regulatory compliance. Correct answer C. Migration to the cloud. Here's the explanation. The use case for migration to the cloud is most relevant when considering IBM Cloud for VMware solutions, particularly in the context of virtualized data center extension. Here's why. Migration to the cloud. IBM Cloud for VMware is designed to help organizations extend their on-premises VMware environments into the IBM Cloud. This is achieved through hybrid cloud architectures that leverage VMware's technology stack in a cloud environment. Migrating existing workloads to the cloud without needing to refactor applications is one of the primary use cases for IBM Cloud for VMware. This is particularly beneficial for businesses looking to transition to the cloud while maintaining compatibility with their existing VMware tools and processes. Supported use case explanation. When extending a VMware-based data center to IBM Cloud, the solution allows for a seamless lift-and-shift migration. Organizations can move their virtual machines, VMs, and applications to the IBM Cloud without changing their underlying infrastructure. This use case supports continuity, speed, and minimal disruption, which is why migration to the cloud is the correct answer. Reference from IBM Cloud Professional Architect Materials. According to IBM's documentation on IBM Cloud for VMware Solutions, one of the primary use cases is the ability to extend data center capabilities by migrating VMware workloads to the IBM Cloud. This extends existing investments in VMware technology while optimizing infrastructure by taking advantage of IBM Cloud's global data centers and enterprise-grade security and scalability. IBM Cloud for VMware is positioned as a solution to help businesses modernize their IT infrastructure by moving to the cloud while avoiding the complexity of refactoring their existing workloads and applications, aligning directly with the concept of migration to the cloud. In contrast, the other options. A. Manage security detection and response. This use case pertains more to IBM's security solutions, rather than specific to VMware cloud migration. B. Modernize security with an open multi-cloud platform. This is a broader concept that is not directly tied to VMware environments and their extension or migration. D. Accelerate regulatory compliance. Although using IBM Cloud can help achieve regulatory compliance, it is not a specific use case for extending a VMware virtualized data center to the cloud. Question 8. What is a reason for using File Storage Classic on IBM Cloud? A. It allows the user to adjust the amount of performance as needed. B. It protects against data-in-transit failures. C. It is scalable during provisioning. D. It provides asynchronous reads and writes. Correct answer A. It allows the user to adjust the amount of performance as needed. Here's the explanation. File Storage Classic on IBM Cloud allows users to adjust the performance as needed by choosing different tiers or adjusting the input-output operations per second (IOPS). This flexibility makes it suitable for workloads with varying performance requirements, such as databases, analytics, or content management systems, where the storage performance can be adjusted to match the workload demand. Performance adjustability. Users can choose between various performance levels or make adjustments to IOPS, allowing them to balance cost and performance based on current needs. Comparison with other options. Protects against data in transit failures, B, is not a primary feature of file storage. Scalable during provisioning, C, is partially correct, but adjusting performance is more precise. Asynchronous reads and writes, D, are general file system features, not unique to IBM Cloud File Storage. Question 9. What is the advantage of having multiple sites within the same region in IBM Cloud for resiliency purposes? A. Higher level of data encryption. B. Improved network connectivity between sites. C. Enhanced scalability and performance. D. Better protection against natural disasters. Correct answer, D. Better protection against natural disasters. Here's the explanation. Having multiple sites within the same region in IBM Cloud provides better protection against natural disasters. Multiple sites for resiliency. In cloud architecture, resiliency is enhanced by distributing workloads and data across multiple sites or availability zones within the same region. If a natural disaster affects one site, the other sites can continue operations without significant downtime or data loss. IBM Cloud Regions and Availability Zones. IBM Cloud has multiple availability zones within the same region, providing redundancy and failover options to protect against regional disruptions such as natural disasters. Reference from IBM Cloud Professional Architect Materials. IBM documentation on IBM Cloud Regions and Availability Zones mentions the design for high availability and disaster recovery by using multiple sites or availability zones within a region. Other options are incorrect. A. Higher level of data encryption is unrelated to multiple sites. B. Improved network connectivity between sites is a benefit, but not the primary advantage for resiliency against natural disasters. C. Enhanced scalability and performance is more relevant to resource allocation and management. Wrapped up. And that's it for our first video in this series on the IBM Cloud Professional Architect V6 exam. Remember, practice is key to success. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.